Hello and welcome to another episode of Traders View. So today we are going to be doing something different. At the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you what the CSS trading concept have told us. And that is a new asset in an entirely different market, which is the Forex market. An asset that is set to pump for this week, right? At the end of this video, I will be revealing that asset, and it is something that is common. Anybody could go and buy it. First things first, let's look at the crypto market. And after that, I'm going to tell you that asset that I believe is going to do a massive pump this week. First things first, if you like videos like this, please subscribe. And most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop videos like this. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, let's look at the Bitcoin market. It's looking a little bit green today in the crypto market. Bitcoin is still around $91,000. But as you can see, it still has not broken our area of resistance, right? Which is this level here. It still has not broken that level. So we wanted to break this level right here. That is the level that has been giving Bitcoin problem. We need the market to break that level. Or it should come back to the $97,000 level, which is, sorry, the $87,000 level, 87.85, right? Which is the level that we are looking to buy. So as far as I'm concerned, I keep saying this every single time. As far as I'm concerned, there are two places to buy in the crypto market. It has to be, the market has to break above 93,000, 94,000, and then come back to retest that 93,000 for us to buy. Or Bitcoin has to come down to $85,000 range. That would be a good level to buy. So that's it for Bitcoin. We are still waiting. Nothing to do. Just wait. You have to be patient. I keep saying this. You have to be patient. Don't get frustrated. Be patient. Your time would come. And when it happens, you're going to smile. All right? You're going to smile. You're going to be happy that you waited for the appropriate time to buy. Do you understand? So the next asset we want to look at is Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum is doing the same thing, right? Ethereum is doing the same thing. There is this significant resistance level that is in front of Ethereum right now. And that is this level right here. Right, so you can see Ethereum has to break above that level for us to buy. It would be suicide for you to buy into that level. It doesn't make any kind of sense, right? So allow Ethereum to come down to this level right here, which is around the what time mark? Which is around I would say $2,900. All right, I would say $2,900 to $2,700 mark. That is the price range that we need to see Ethereum at. So if Ethereum comes down to that level, that would be a good level to actually buy. It has to come down here, or it has to break above and retest here, just exactly like Bitcoin. And if you can go through the entire market, you would see that that's the same case for Solana. That is the same case for SRP. Pretty much all the crypto market kind of set up the same way, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, you can see they are all hitting the resistance, right? Solana, you can see Solana is hitting the resistance here. See, this is a resistance in front of Solana. Why would you want to buy into such a significant resistance level? It makes no sense whatsoever. So if you must buy, let Solana aggressively violate that level of resistance and then retest for you to buy, right? So if it comes down to this level, it's going to be a good level to also buy. Let's say it fails to break through this resistance. If it gets back to this level, that would be the best level to buy, right? So the next thing I want you to see again is going to be a Dogecoin. All right, so the next coin is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still the same thing. Just take a look at all of this market. They are all doing the same thing, all approaching a significant area of resistance, including Hyperliquid, including Chainlink, you know. So don't let anyone hype you up into buying into a resistance, all right? It's suicide. Except you just want to lose money for free. Except you just want to throw your money into the market for free. Don't let anybody hype you into buying at this time. This is the time to wait. When the smart money comes in and the market starts moving to significant areas of support and resistance, then we are going to start going into it. And don't forget the strength indicator, right? We are using the CSS concept. So the strength indicator for some of these assets is not good. Some of them are good. I've given you 10 assets that has strong strength, right? Those are the ones that are going to go like crazy when the market starts moving. So basically, that's it for crypto. Every single thing is heading towards a resistance, so you have to wait. All right, so there is good news. Apart from the crypto market, there are other markets that are setting up to do really well. Number one is going to be Swiss franc Singaporean dollar. So this week, the Swiss franc Singaporean dollar is going to be a pump. That's what I've seen on the CSS. So the circle says buy, the strength says buy, the structure says buy. So it is a rare case for all of this energy to align and say the same thing. And it is actually happening in this asset class called CHF SGD, which is Swiss franc Singaporean dollars. So if you want to take advantage of that opportunity, go to any brokerage service of your choice. Now, this doesn't tell you, I don't tell you the exact time to enter. This I do in my group, right? I tell those in my group the exact time to enter. But this is the asset that, in my opinion, is going to pump for this week. It's going to have an aggressive 1 or 2 week pump, and then it's going to rescind again. Do you understand? So Swiss franc Singaporean dollar is looking good for a buy. But the entry for this asset is going to be dropped in my group, right? It's going to be dropped in my group. For those of you who are already members of my paid group, that will be dropped in my group. I'm going to tell you the exact time we're about to enter it. But generally, if you have any entry principle, Swiss franc Singaporean dollar is going to be good. So that's it, the update for today. For those of you who are in my group, you're definitely going to get the entry point for Swiss franc Singaporean dollars. I'll keep you updated when it comes to the crypto market, whether to buy, to sell, or to wait. For now, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and God bless you.